Hello guys, if you guys have a washing machine like this that has a problem making noise, disbalanced, then here's how to fix it. The problem is with the shock absorber. You can easily replace them. You can get it over Amazon for about $45, something like that, and easy to install. Just have to go behind the machine, take the plate out, and you do not need any special tool other than Phillips screwdriver. And there you go. And here's the comparison between the new one and old one. That is the old shock absorber. It is leaking. It has a leak all over, and you can squeeze it by hand like that. You're not supposed to. All three of them are bad. You see how easily I can squeeze it? That's why it's not balancing the whole laundry load. It won't be balanced. So that's the new one. You can see it's tough. And there are two more. I'm gonna grab them right there. There you go. And I'm gonna install it the way I took it out. It's easy. You just have to press those pins and slide it out. That's all you have to do.
Şimdi there you go. Perfect. Oh, that's on his own.